Ever wondered how to build your own pond from scratch? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of pond building. Imagine that tranquil space in your backyard, filled with lilies and koi, all created by your own hands. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a do-it-yourself project, and a pond is a stunning addition to any outdoor space. It's a project that's not only rewarding, but also surprisingly simple. Building a pond isn't as challenging as it may seem, especially when you have the right guidance. Before you start digging, you'll need to gather your materials. First and foremost, you'll need a sturdy shovel for the excavation process. This will be your primary tool for digging out the space for your pond. Next on the list is a durable plastic liner. This will act as the waterproof barrier between the ground and your pond water, ensuring that it stays in place and doesn't seep into the ground. Sand is also crucial. It will serve as a buffer layer between the soil and the liner, protecting it from any sharp stones or roots that could potentially puncture it. A water pump too is essential. It will keep the water circulating and oxygenated, promoting a healthy environment for any plants or fish you decide to add. Finally, you'll need decorative stones. These will not only add aesthetic appeal to your pond, but also provide additional support to the liner's edge. Once you've gathered all your materials, you're ready to start building your pond. Now comes the fun part: digging your pond. Choosing the right spot for your pond is crucial. Look for an area that gets plenty of sunlight, as this will help aquatic plants grow and keep the water from getting too cold. Additionally, you want your pond to be easily accessible for maintenance and viewing pleasure. Once you've picked the perfect spot, it's time to start digging. Grab your shovel and dig out a hole that matches the size and shape you want for your pond. Remember to make the sides slope gently. This isn't just for aesthetic reasons. A gentle slope also ensures safety, making it easier for animals and children to get out should they accidentally fall in. Digging may be hard work, but it's also incredibly satisfying. With each shovel of dirt, you're one step closer to bringing your dream pond to life. With the hole dug out, you're halfway there to having your own pond. The next step is laying the liner, which will keep the water in your pond. This part is crucial, as the liner is your pond's lifeline, ensuring the water stays put. So let's get to it, shall we? Start by spreading the liner across the dugout area. It's important to ensure it's smooth and not bunched up anywhere. Take your time with this, as a smooth liner will lead to a more professional finish. Make sure that the liner extends well over the edges of your pond. This will serve as a buffer for any miscalculations in size and prevent any water seepage. Now, to secure the liner, you'll need some heavy stones. Place these around the edges of the pond, effectively pinning the liner down. Following this, it's time to fill the pond with water. As the water level rises, adjust the stones and liner as needed to maintain a neat appearance. With the liner in place and filled with water, your pond is nearly complete. Now for the finishing touches to make your pond truly yours. First things first, let's add some decorative stones. Not only do they beautify the pond, but they also provide a natural habitat for the aquatic life. You can arrange these stones in any way you like. Just let your creativity flow. Next, we add aquatic plants. They are essential for a healthy pond as they provide oxygen, food, and shelter for the pond's inhabitants. Plus, they add a lovely touch of greenery. There are various types of aquatic plants to choose from, like water lilies or lotus. Just remember, some plants prefer the shallow end, while others thrive in deeper water. Now, let's talk about keeping the water clean. A water pump is a great tool for this. It circulates the water and helps prevent stagnation. Just remember to clean the pump regularly to ensure it continues working efficiently. But what about potential issues? Algae is a common one. While a small amount is normal, too much can harm your pond's ecosystem. To control it, consider adding algae-eating fish or using algicides. Just remember, balance is key. And there you have it, your own DIY pond. Remember, maintaining your pond is just as important as building it. So keep it clean and enjoy the serene beauty it adds to your space.